Little dirty, let me clean you up there. Bam! What up? It's the afternoon and it is Sunday. Just got back into Sacramento from Stockton after all the fights and everything. But the Element, she dirty. Okay, she dirty. It's fine. It's fine to be dirty. You know, but we here at a self car wash because I mean she needs the love. Okay, this car needs the love right now. She a little filthy. I don't know what the hell that is, but I hit something right there. Got some poodoo, I mean bugs on the screen, you name it. Tires need to be cleaned, wheels need to be washed, just hit everything. So let's give her a bath, man. Oh, hey, it's bath time? Bath time? He's ready. He wants it. All right, not too shabby for a little bit of a $5 wash. Just gonna sun dryer, just drive her around. So yeah, it's not too bad. What do you say, Hayes? Wasn't too bad of a wash, huh, bud? Nice, sweet, nice and easy. That's what I like. All right, guys, it looks like I'm back over here at Nino and Jessica's, and we are actually going to be heading down to Tracy to go see Jessica's grandma. But before I forget, I actually saw these fishing poles when I first got up here, and Nino was like, you could freaking have one, man. So I think I'm going to snag a fishing pole from him right now. So let's see which one I end up with. Alright guys, I chose my fishing rod, and it is actually this cool deep sea fishing rod. I didn't know it was deep sea. I just thought, hey, it's big, I could probably catch some cool fish with this thing. So this is my new fishing rod that I just got from Jess and Nina. Love you guys. Yeah, let's go put this in the Element. Oh, good morning. It is 7:11 right now, and I'm about to get up and out of Tracy and head back to San Jose. Call this trip done. Definitely had a good time with everybody that I stayed with. Charlie, Bev, Nino, Jessica. I freaking love you guys. Glad I'm got really good friends. Like you guys make it all worth it. So thanks for putting up with me when you guys had me, and I'll see you guys next trip. Take it easy. Oh my God, is that the California Super Bloom? People didn't put this Honda Ridgeline has a camper tent on top of the bed, and I just think that that's sick. Like, I don't think I've seen a Ridgeline that's like been taken out like that. So, oh yeah, that thing sticks way off the back, dude. That's sick. Love it. It's probably coming back from camping. I'm coming back from van lifing. Good
Good times, bro.
All right, we are back in San Jose and I am at my parents' place. It's been a long one. It feels kind of good to be like somewhere where I could just kind of decompress. I don't have to worry about anything. But the element's a wreck on the inside. So I literally got my new fishing pole like up on the roof. I'm about to give the car like a super well, just good clean that's needed.
Now we are
yeah,
beefing and I don't
so
know. Fuck you, Nightbot.
just dirty. I just need to fucking clean this, so I'm gonna clean it, and I guess you guys are gonna watch me.
Check out the sponsor.
I'll put you on time lapse for like sanity's sake. Alright, I think I'm actually gonna take off my Team Ecstatic sticker from the element right now, so let's get scraping. Alright, freshly scraped, looking good, still cleaning. But yeah, I'm thinking maybe we put an up top banner or something, something to do with like element life or van life, I don't know. If you got any ideas, throw it down in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see. I do make my own stickers, so I could definitely make basically anything you guys could think of, so let me know. Put it down in the comments, huh? So we're at the dog park and this lady's trying to train her dog. She's got treats and Hades was like, oh, yummy treats. And so he's been doing the tricks that she's trying to teach her dog. And I'm like, I better go get his treats. So here we are now. Oh, brother. Hades. Hey, look what I got. I got your num-nums. Sit. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Here's a treat. Num-nums. Good boy. Oh God. You could tell that they're dog flavored treats because they're paws. Here you go. All right. Having a lunch break after the dog park. Hades had 2 pup patties. We got our fries and I got a double drink and Sprite or 7-Up.
Who cares?
Who cares?
Who cares?
It's one of them. God damn it.
The same thing.
So that little black blob laying there on the floor, all tired from the dog park, is Stinky. He's a stinky boy. So me and Clarissa, we're gonna go ahead and clean them with this right here, this Double Trouble 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner that smells like wild watermelon. So let's get this clean pup going. Excellent. And just like that, we got ourselves a clean little puppy pup. Oh, and you smell like watermelon. So that's always, oh, I know, you're cold. You're cold. We're drying you off. We're getting you there, bud. But look how clean you look. Look how handsome you are. Huh? That's a handsome boy. Get you a handsome pup. Yeah.
And then just push the button.
Push it again.
Is it cracked?
So just got this from Wake Fu Cartel, and it's Gengar. I forget how to say the word, but it's like a hanging handle. But I don't know if you could see that line right there. It kind of looks like he's cracked. I guess we'll take him out of the bag. If you want to do the honors, check him off for me. But I also got a Game Boy lilac air freshener for my car, and it looks like they threw in some stickers as well, some Wake Fu stickers and whatnot. But yeah. Oh, it's hard to get. There we go. Sweet. Ooh, yeah, that right there looks a lot better. That's what I want to see. Wow, that is clean. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. And it comes with like a sidekick little lanyard thing. Do it for me. Yes.
Yeah.
Hell
I don't know
yeah.
how you go.
Sweet. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that's freaking cool. That's going in the element for sure.
You're not gonna hang it off the back?
No, that's going in the element. I might use them for my pool handle for my door. Yeah, for my hatch. I'll keep them inside, keep them clean, because that is sick. I'm glad it had that protective stick to it, because I was scared there for a second. I was like, hey, yo. But yeah, Wake Fu Cartel, definitely check them out. Their products are sick. This one's brand new, and I was able to get it while it released. So